Welcome to Review Lab. The best Canon Stabilizer is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any videographer looking to achieve smooth, professional-looking footage, especially when capturing action shots or moving through complex environments. This device is designed to counteract unwanted camera shake and vibrations, ensuring that your audience enjoys a stable and immersive viewing experience, free from the distracting jitters that can ruin an otherwise perfect shot. Investing in a quality stabilizer can elevate your content from amateur to cinematic, making every frame count and keeping viewers engaged from start to finish. Number 5. Zhiyun Weebill-S Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the Zhiyun Weebill-S, a powerful 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed for your mirrorless and DSLR cameras. It offers exceptional stability and smooth footage for all your creative projects. This gimbal is compatible with a vast range of mainstream mirrorless and DSLR camera and lens combinations. Easily check our compatibility chart to ensure it works with your specific gear. Experience comfortable shooting with its ergonomically designed sling mode. Its lightweight and compact form factor make it easy to handle for extended periods. Keep creating all day with an impressive 14-hour battery life. You can focus on capturing stunning shots without worrying about frequent recharges. Enhance your workflow with the optional Transmount Image Transmission Module. Enjoy highly synchronized 1080p 30 frames per second transmission up to 100 meters, and support from multiple screen receivers. It's engineered to handle a total payload of up to 2.5 kilograms, ensuring optimal motor performance. Always remember to properly balance your camera before powering it on for the best results. Achieve seamless operation by utilizing a compatible USB control cable. This allows for full control of your camera's functions, including shutter and focus, directly from the gimbal. What we like. This gimbal offers exceptional compatibility with a vast range of mirrorless and DSLR cameras. Its ergonomic sling mode ensures comfortable handling during extended shoots. If you're looking for a versatile stabilizer that can handle many camera setups and provides a comfortable shooting experience, this is a great choice. What people say. The Canon camera stabilizer provides excellent stabilization for smooth video footage, even when moving. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry and handle during long shooting sessions. The intuitive controls allow for quick adjustments and seamless operation, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 4. DJI RSC2 Combo Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the DJI RSC2 Combo, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It offers exceptional stability for brands like Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, Canon, and Fujifilm. Its innovative foldable design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. When folded, it's smaller than a sheet of A5 paper, offering unparalleled portability without compromising on power. Weighing only 2.6 pounds, it boasts a tested payload capacity of 6.6 pounds. The Titan stabilization algorithm ensures smoother footage than ever, with super smooth mode enhancing stability even for zoom lenses. A built-in 1-inch OLED screen provides complete control at your fingertips. You can easily adjust settings and monitor your camera's performance. Switch to portrait mode with a single tap, thanks to the versatile mounting plate. This feature is perfect for creating professional-grade content for your social media channels. Shoot longer with its advanced battery, offering up to 14 hours of runtime. Plus, it supports fast charging, so you spend less time waiting and more time creating. It's compatible with a vast range of popular camera models from Sony, Nikon, Canon, Panasonic, and Fujifilm. The DJI Ronin app requires iOS 11.0 or Android 7.0 and above. What we like. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store, fitting smaller than an A5 paper when folded. The Titan stabilization algorithm ensures exceptionally smooth footage, even with challenging zoom lenses. If portability and advanced stabilization are your top priorities for on-the-go filmmaking, this gimbal is ideal. What people say. The Canon camera stabilizer is designed with advanced stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and steady footage even during dynamic movements. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip and intuitive controls, making it easy to operate for extended periods. The stabilizer offers multiple shooting modes, including pan follow, lock mode, and follow mode, allowing for versatile creative possibilities. Number 3. DJI Ronin-SC Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the DJI Ronin-SC, a 3-axis camera stabilizer designed for creators on the go. It supports payloads up to 2 kilograms, offering remarkable stability in a lightweight package. Built for portability, it opens up new possibilities for filmmakers in any situation. This gimbal is designed to go wherever your creativity takes you. It works seamlessly with the Ronin app to provide smooth, precise movements. This allows you to focus on capturing the perfect shot that aligns with your vision. Experience perfectly stable shots even in the most action-packed scenes. Its continuous stabilization excels in fast follows, sudden movements, and directional changes. This device offers a suite of advanced capturing features designed to help you unleash your imagination. Explore new creative possibilities with its intelligent functions. Essential controls are easily accessible with intuitive buttons and a trigger. The flared, slip-resistant grip ensures comfortable handling for extended shooting sessions. What we like. This stabilizer is designed to be incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for filmmakers who need to travel light. Its seamless integration with the Ronin app allows for precise, smooth movements, letting you focus on creativity. If you're a solo creator or a filmmaker on the move who needs a reliable and easy-to-handle stabilizer, this option is a fantastic fit. What people say. The stabilization is incredibly smooth, making handheld shots look like they were filmed on a tripod. The quick-release plate system is a lifesaver for quickly mounting and dismounting the camera. It offers excellent control over camera movement, allowing for precise panning and tilting. Number 2. NEEWER Camera Video Cage Filmmaking Kit. This versatile video cage is designed to work with a wide range of DSLR cameras and camcorders. It's perfect for everyone from hobbyists to seasoned professionals. Enjoy stable shooting with the ergonomic dual hand grips. The detachable top handle is great for capturing those dynamic low-angle shots. The integrated dual-rod system allows for easy adjustment of camera position and the mounting of essential accessories like follow-focus systems. Attach and detach your camera in seconds with the convenient built-in thumbscrew. Silicone padding ensures your device stays stable and scratch-free. With numerous 1, 4 and 3/8 threaded holes, you can easily add articulating arms, cold shoe mounts, and monitors to enhance your workflow. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with precision CNC machining, this cage is incredibly strong and built for durability. What we like. This is more than just a stabilizer, it's a complete filmmaking kit with dual hand grips for stable shooting and a top handle for low-angle shots. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, it offers a robust platform for your camera. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to enhance your camera's stability and add professional accessories, this kit is a great starting point. What people say. The stabilizer is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around for extended periods without fatigue. Its advanced stabilization technology effectively eliminates jitters and shakes, resulting in smooth, professional-looking footage even when moving. The quick-release plate system allows for fast and secure mounting of the camera, saving valuable time during setup. Number 1. DJI RS2 Combo Gimbal Stabilizer. Experience the highest weight-to-payload ratio in the industry. This gimbal is incredibly lightweight yet robust, supporting up to 10 pounds for your professional camera setups. Crafted with monocoque carbon fiber axis arms, it offers exceptional strength while remaining unbelievably light. This construction ensures durability without adding unnecessary bulk. Easily adjust settings and access features with the integrated 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen. You can even control ActiveTrack 3.0 directly, giving you more creative freedom. This tool is designed for professional filmmaking, allowing seamless integration with various rigs like cars, jibs, and sliders. You can also control it remotely for dynamic shots. Achieve perfect balance with the dual-layer camera mounting plate, compatible with both Manfrotto and Arca-Swiss standards. The fine-tuned balancing knob makes setup a breeze. It works with a vast array of DSLR and mirrorless cameras from major brands like Sony, Nikon, Canon, and Panasonic. Ensure your camera is supported by checking the compatibility list. What we like. It boasts an impressive 10 pounds tested payload capacity, making it suitable for heavier camera setups. The lightweight yet strong carbon fiber construction ensures durability without adding bulk. If you're a professional filmmaker working with heavier cinema cameras and need a robust, feature-rich stabilizer with easy control via its touchscreen, this is the one to consider. What people say. The stabilizer is incredibly smooth and provides professional-looking footage. It's lightweight and easy to balance, even for extended shooting sessions. The build quality is excellent, feeling sturdy and durable in hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.